AI is like the word on everyone's lips these days.
Yeah, it's everywhere you look.
But put them together, AI and podcast.
OMG AI.
Catchy, right?
Definitely attention grabbing.
Yeah, and it tells you something about how people see AI, you know?
Definitely a sense of buckle up.
A little bit of awe, a little bit of, oh my God, what's next?
Exactly. Makes you wonder if we're ready for a podcast like OMG AI.
Maybe, maybe not.
Okay, so you're hearing a lot about AI, right? Like it's everywhere you turn.
Yeah, AI is the hot topic right now,
But I bet you're also kind of wondering like, okay, but what does it all actually mean?
right? What does it mean for me?
Especially for your business, right? Like how is this going to impact things? How can I even use this stuff?
Exactly. It's like we're bombarded with these buzzwords, but how do we actually apply them?
So that's exactly what this deep dive is all about.
We're going to break down some of the key terms you're probably hearing.
And figure out what they really mean.
Yeah, we'll make sure you come away with a clear understanding of how these pieces fit together in the AI landscape.
Especially for anyone who's thinking, how can I practically apply AI in my business?
Right, because that's the question everyone's asking these days.
So we're zeroing in on 3 big ones today.
The terms that seem to be popping up everywhere.
First up, AI agents.
These are the systems that can actually, act on their own.
Right, like they make things happen.
Then we've got ChatGPT.
Which is this seriously impressive language tool.
It's a big deal in the world of generative AI.
And lastly, we're tackling Agentic AI.
This one's closely tied to the idea of AI agents.
And we'll definitely be digging into all of this using a fantastic report by Undesto AI.
They've done a great job laying out these concepts and trends.
Really insightful stuff.
Yeah, so getting a handle on the nuances between these three,
AI agents, ChatGPT, and Agentic AI.
that's going to be essential for moving beyond just the hype.
And really identifying the tangible applications.
And figuring out how to use these things in the real world.
You ready to dive in?
Absolutely. Let's get started with AI agents.
Perfect.
So the Undesto report emphasizes that AI agents are autonomous systems.
Okay, so autonomous, that means they can
operate independently.
without constant human intervention.
Right, they can perceive their environment,
Like understand what's happening around them.
make decisions based on what they observe,
That sounds pretty smart.
and then take actions to achieve a goal.
So it's like they have a mission and they figure out how to accomplish it.
Exactly. And they do it all without someone needing to tell them every single step.
Wow, that's impressive. It's kind of like giving someone a really smart to-do list
And then they just figure out how to get it done.
without you having to micromanage them.
Precisely. You know, a good analogy that comes to mind is a self-driving delivery van.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
It has a destination.
And it figures out the route.
navigates traffic.
Avoids obstacles all on its own.
Right. It's not relying on someone to remotely control every single turn.
So basically, AI agents, they're all about that independent action and problem solving.
Exactly. And the report highlights 3 key characteristics of AI agents.
Okay, let's hear them.
So first we have autonomy.
Which we've touched on. That means they can operate without those continuous step-by-step instructions.
Right. Second, they have the ability to learn and improve their performance over time,
So they get better with experience.
just like humans do. And third, they can interact with other systems in real time.
So they're not just working in isolation.
Right? They can communicate and work with other software platforms or even physical devices.
So it's not just about following a preset script.
It's about intelligent action and adaptation.
That's fascinating. Can you give us some more concrete examples of AI agents that we might actually encounter?
Sure. Think about those virtual customer service assistants you interact with online.
Oh, yeah, those chatbots.
Right? Many of them can troubleshoot problems,
Answer questions.
guide you through processes any time of day or night,
Yeah, they're always available.
and they can often resolve your issue without needing a human to step in.
That's definitely helpful. What else?
Well, in healthcare, AI systems can monitor patient vital signs
That makes sense.
and automatically alert medical staff if they detect something concerning.
Like an irregular heartbeat or something.
Exactly. That way, doctors and nurses can intervene quickly if needed.
That's amazing. AI is really changing the game in healthcare,
It is. And then in logistics and supply chain management.
which is so important for businesses these days.
Absolutely. AI agents can optimize delivery routes in real time.
So they can adjust for traffic or delays.
Exactly. To make sure deliveries arrive on time.
Wow, so AI agents are really like having reliable, adaptable team members.
Who can handle tasks autonomously,
They just get things done.
learn as they go.
And they don't need constant supervision.
Precisely. So that's AI agents in a nutshell.
I'm starting to get a much clearer picture now. All right, so let's move on to ChatGPT.
Okay, so as the Undesto report states, ChatGPT is a language model created by OpenAI.
And it falls under the umbrella of generative AI.
Right, meaning its primary function is to generate content.
And in this case, we're talking about text.
Exactly. It's all about having conversations
Answering questions.
and producing written material.
So while an AI agent is out there doing things in a system or in the real world,
ChatGPT's domain is language.
it's like a master communicator.
Absolutely. And one of the most impressive things about ChatGPT
The
is its ability to understand and generate natural language.
Right, it sounds very human-like. It's incredible how far this technology has come.
And it operates based on prompts.
So you give it an input, a question, or an instruction.
And it generates a response.
It's like having a conversation with a really smart AI.
Exactly. And there's a key point that the report highlights.
Okay, what's that?
ChatGPT's memory of past interactions within a conversation.
So it remembers what you've been talking about.
Well, it's limited to the current session.
Meaning?
Each new chat is essentially a fresh start.
So it doesn't retain information from previous conversations.
Unless you explicitly bring it up again in the current prompt.
Ah, that's important to know. So it's not like it's building up a memory of everything you've ever said to it.
Right, it's focused on the task at hand.
So what are some of the ways we see ChatGPT being used today?
It's being used for a ton of different applications.
Like what?
Well, content creations is a big one.
People are using it to write blog posts?
Social media
Like
updates,
marketing copy?
even outlines for longer documents.
It's like having a virtual writing assistant.
And many customer support chatbots are powered by language models like ChatGPT.
To provide more natural and helpful interactions?
Exactly. It's making those chatbots a lot more effective.
That makes sense. Any other interesting use cases?
Definitely. In education, it can be a really valuable tool.
For students and teachers alike.
It can help students understand complex topics,
Brainstorm ideas.
get feedback on their writing.
Wow, it seems like the possibilities are endless.
And it's all because of its amazing language capabilities.
So to put it simply, ChatGPT is like having a super articulate writer or conversational partner.
But you always need to initiate the interaction.
And give it direction through your prompts.
Right. You're the one steering the conversation.
Okay, I think I've got a good handle on ChatGPT now. So let's move on to that third piece of the puzzle.
Agentic AI. So this is where things get really interesting.
I'm intrigued. Tell me more.
Well, Agentic AI builds directly on the concept of AI agents.
So it takes those core capabilities of AI agents,
Economy,
perceptions,
decision-making,
and action
and it scales them up significantly.
in terms of
Complexity.
and the scope of the goals they can pursue.
Right. So imagine AI systems that can plan and execute complex tasks over extended periods.
Without constant human intervention.
Exactly. They're capable of much more sophisticated problem solving.
So if AI agents are like smart, autonomous task handlers,
Agentic AI is like a strategic autonomous problem solver.
it's not just doing one thing at a time
It's orchestrating a series of actions.
to achieve a larger objective.
Exactly. And agentic AI systems often involve multiple AI agents working together.
Or a single, really capable agent.
That can break down a complex goal into smaller, manageable steps.
And then execute those steps autonomously.
Right. And they can learn and adapt their plans as they go.
Based on feedback from their environment.
So they're constantly improving and getting more efficient.
That sounds like a huge leap in capability.
It is. It's taking AI to a whole new level.
So where does ChatGPT fit into all of this?
Well, that's an important question.
Is it a type of agentic AI or something else?
While ChatGPT is incredibly powerful in its language abilities.
It's not considered agentic AI on its own.
Right. Remember, ChatGPT is primarily a language model.
Its strength is understanding and generating text based on prompts.
But it doesn't have that inherent autonomy to perceive an environment
Set its own goals.
and take independent action.
Like AI agents and agentic AI systems do.
Exactly. So you could think of ChatGPT as a highly skilled tool,
That could be part of an agentic AI system.
providing the language and communication abilities.
But it wouldn't be the autonomous decision maker itself.
That's a great way to put it.
So to recap, we've got AI agents.
The autonomous action takers focused on specific goals.
We've got
The
ChatGPT.
powerful language expert that needs prompting.
And then we've got agentic AI.
Representing those more advanced autonomous systems.
Capable of complex planning and execution.
Potentially even incorporating tools like ChatGPT.
That's a really helpful breakdown. Now think about all of this from a business perspective.
Where does each of these AI approaches really excel?
Yeah, let's get practical here. Where might we see AI agents making a real impact in businesses today?
Well, we're already seeing AI agents deployed for automated customer support,
So they're handling those routine inquiries.
freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues.
That makes a lot of sense.
And in areas like logistics and supply chain management,
AI agents can optimize routes
predict potential disruptions.
and even manage inventory levels autonomously.
Exactly. They're bringing a lot of efficiency to those processes,
It sounds like AI is really taking over those repetitive but essential tasks
allowing businesses to streamline their operations.
and freeing up human employees for more strategic work.
Exactly. It's about augmenting human capabilities, not replacing them.
Now, what about ChatGPT?
Where does its language prowess really shine in a business context?
Yeah, give us some specific examples.
Well, the applications for ChatGPT are incredibly diverse,
Businesses are using it for content creation across the board.
from marketing materials to internal communications,
It can even help with drafting different types of documents.
like reports, presentations, proposals, you name it.
And it's great for summarizing large amounts of information
Brainstorming new ideas.
and even assisting with research.
And of course, customer service can be enhanced through more sophisticated chatbots,
Powered by ChatGPT.
providing more natural and helpful interactions.
So ChatGPT is really about enhancing communication
Content creation.
and information processing within a business.
Exactly. It's a versatile tool that can be applied in so many ways.
Now thinking about Agentic AI, given its more advanced capabilities.
What kind of business applications might we see emerging in the future?
Yeah, let's look ahead a bit.
Well, Agentic AI has the potential to tackle really complex challenges,
Like managing entire projects.
coordinating different teams and resources.
Wow, that's a big one.
In research and development, Agentic AI could design and conduct experiments,
Analyze the results.
iterate on new solutions without much human oversight.
That's incredible. So basically, AI is moving towards a future where it can take on more leadership-level functions
Managing complex processes
and driving innovation.
in a more autonomous way.
Now let's talk about the future more broadly.
Our second source from Undesco AI highlights some really interesting trends in AI.
And which of these trends do you see as most relevant to our discussion of AI agents
ChatGPT.
and agentic AI?
Well, the one that really stands out is the increasing sophistication and integration of AI across industries.
So AI is becoming more powerful.
And it's being embedded into the very fabric of business operations,
Meaning we'll see more interactions between different types of AI.
leveraging the strengths of each.
So it's not about choosing one over the other,
It's about using them together in a more integrated and intelligent way.
like a symphony of AI working in harmony.
Exactly. And the trend also points to the increasing autonomy of AI systems.
Which directly connects to the evolution from AI agents to agentic AI.
Right. We can expect AI to take on more complex decision-making roles.
Handling tasks that used to require a lot of human oversight. The report also talks about advancements in delivery and logistics.
How do you see AI agents and agentic AI contributing to that?
Well, we're already seeing AI agents being used to optimize delivery routes.
And manage autonomous vehicles.
Right. And as AI becomes more sophisticated,
We can envision agentic AI systems managing entire logistic networks,
coordinating fleets of vehicles,
predicting demand.
and proactively addressing potential problems.
That kind of autonomous coordination could lead to huge efficiencies.
And cost savings for businesses.
Absolutely. And it could revolutionize the way goods are transported.
What about the broader trend of technological innovation and exponential growth?
How do you see AI agents
ChatGPT.
and agentic AI fitting into that picture?
Well, I think it's safe to say that these AI technologies are key drivers of innovation.
The rapid advancements in natural language
I
processing
need ChatGPT,
and autonomous systems.
which drive AI agents and agentic AI.
They're fueling new possibilities across all industries.
And as these technologies continue to evolve,
We can expect even more transformative applications to emerge.
it's an exciting time to be following AI.
Absolutely. It feels like we're on the cusp of something truly groundbreaking.
So for our listeners who are now feeling inspired to explore further,
What would you recommend as a practical first step?
especially for getting a feel for AI agents?
Well, I think a great starting point is to explore some of the no-code platforms for building AI agents.
No code, so you don't need to be a programmer.
Exactly. Platforms like Disify, Microsoft Copilot Studio, and Bubble offer really user-friendly interfaces
So anyone can create and deploy AI agents.
for various purposes without needing extensive coding knowledge.
And the Undesto report suggests a simple project like building a customer support AI agent.
As a great way to get started.
Can you walk us through how someone might approach that?
Sure. The first step is to choose a no-code AI platform that you like.
And create an account,
Then you define the specific goal for your AI agent.
like answering frequently asked questions about your product.
Or providing basic troubleshooting steps.
Makes sense.
Next, you'd use the platform's visual tools to design the conversation flow
Outline the questions the agent can handle.
and the responses it will provide.
And most platforms allow you to integrate with existing data sources or APIs.
So you can really customize the agent's capabilities.
Once you've designed the flow,
You can test your agent
make sure it's working as expected.
and then deploy it on your website or another customer-facing platform
It sounds like a really accessible way to get hands-on experience.
and see the potential of AI agents in action.
So to sum it all up, the key takeaway here is that AI is not just one thing.
It's a collection of different approaches and technologies.
We've got AI agents, the autonomous action takers,
ChatGPT, the powerful language model.
and Agentic AI, those more advanced autonomous systems capable of complex planning.
And recognizing these differences is crucial for making informed decisions,
About how to use AI effectively in your business.
or even for your own personal exploration and learning.
As AI continues to evolve.
Understanding these nuances will be more important than ever.
So we encourage you to consider how these different forms of AI
The agents, the language experts, and the sophisticated autonomous system,
might impact your work
your industry,
and your areas of interest in the years to come.
this is a fundamental shift.
And understanding the key players is the first step in navigating it successfully.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.
We hope you found it insightful, and we'll see you next time.
See you then.